How to change jersey number in FC Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are playing FC Mobile and wondering how to change a player's jersey number, then first of all launch open the FC Mobile game on your device and get inside the lobby page. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the club option on the right corner. Inside the club menu, select locker room. After you are inside the locker room option, select number. Now choose the number you want to change to for your player. I'm gonna go for this number over here. After you do that, you'll be able to change your jersey number in FC Mobile. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.